I'm Prakash Srinivasan. Actually, I'm the owner of this BMW 535i. I had a dent right over here to the size of a quarter. It's a little bit, it's deeper than what you can imagine. And when I first called Peter, I was skeptical. Frankly speaking, I was skeptical that he would not be able to do that. So I finally said, you know what, I'm just going to give it a try. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to take it to the body shop. So he came in and he was just working it. He worked on it for quite some time. And finally, you see, I can't even see where the dent was. I mean, it's just phenomenal. I mean, the dent was right here somewhere. I don't even know where the dent was, but it's just phenomenal. It's incredible, and he has done a phenomenal job for me, and I'm really happy about this. And frankly speaking, I'm a happy customer. I'm not paid to do this. I just want to let you know. And it's a phenomenal job, Peter. Thank you so much.